Rimo offers a flexible and multidimensional licensing model designed to accommodate various deployment scenarios, usage patterns, and organizational needs. The licensing structure is based on 5 key dimensions, with additional considerations for usage-based charges and enterprise options. Rimo supports 4 primary licensing models. On-premise, a classic purchase and maintenance model. The customer is fully responsible for system operation. With an active maintenance contract, customers receive updates and can report issues. Managed service, similar to the on-premise model, but Rimo operates the system on dedicated virtual infrastructure. This reduces operational overhead for the customer. SaaS, software as a service, a subscription-based model where the customer receives a dedicated tenant on a shared database. Subscriptions can be billed monthly or annually. Session-only licensing. Designed for subcontractors, only active sessions are licensed, allowing subcontractors to work across multiple Rimo clients who authorize their access. Licensing is also based on the maximum number of managed objects, such as FTTx locations. This ensures scalability and cost efficiency for networks of different sizes. Customers can license specific modules and add-ons based on their project requirements. This modular approach allows for tailored functionality and cost control. Licensing is not user-based, but rather based on concurrent sessions. Separate session pools are maintained and licensed for web access, mobile access. This allows users to work across multiple devices, e.g., laptop, phone, tablet, without requiring individual licenses per device. Optional licensing is available for automated planning functions such as automated high-level planning, automated detailed planning. These are licensed per FTTx location and can be activated as needed. In SaaS and managed service models, certain usage-based charges may apply. Storage for attachments, e.g., photos, documents, is billed separately based on actual usage. External services, e.g., address lookup via Google APIs, may incur additional costs. Customers may alternatively use open-source services or provide their own API keys to avoid third-party charges. Enterprise licensing is available upon request and can be tailored to large-scale or multi-entity deployments. No additional usage-based charges apply within the licensed scope unless explicitly stated, e.g., storage or external APIs. API access and integration capabilities are included depending on the licensed modules.